One of the biggest mistakes small YouTubers make is uploading videos without optimizing your settings first. Now, there are actually 7 hidden YouTube settings you must turn on if you want to grow properly. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First, you need to head to your Create Studio and click on Settings and go to Channel. This one of the settings, number 1. One of the biggest mistakes most people do by not choosing whom their videos need to be shown to. So turn it on as no set this channel as not made for kids. Settings number 2. Move to your basic info and click on country of residence. Most people think choosing United States are going to get them views from that, but that's not the right way. So make sure to choose your main country of residence. Settings number 3. Scroll down, and you will see keywords. Keywords is one of the most important things to add to your settings. It's going to help the YouTube algorithm know the type of people to show your videos to and whom it shouldn't show your videos to, and it's going to help you get views. Settings number 4. Move to upload defaults for the title. You can leave it like that, because you will like to change your titles when uploading videos. Settings number 5. Scroll down, and you will see descriptions. Descriptions is also one of the important things to add to your video. When uploading it, help people to know what the video is about. Settings number 6. Scroll down to Chose your visibility for me. L preferred using private, because when uploading your video, there was a copy. Right strict in the video because you chose private. You can be able to change the video. Settings number 7. Scroll down and you will see tags. Tags is also one of the important thing to add to your videos or setting to help the YouTube algorithm knows who and what your channel is about. Now click on Save, and that's all for you to do to get more viewers on your videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck.